Hello guys, this is Rashid Lot. In this video I'm gonna show you how to zoom on an area on your screen. Just like this. Wherever you place your mouse, it's gonna zoom in. If you wanna show some details, you must have seen it on other videos, of course. Well, today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Now this tool works with all recording software like OBS and such. And it doesn't only work with Photoshop but also with other different software. And it's really simple to get it. Just go to Google, gotta type in ZoomIt, like this. Gotta choose the first website, of course. Make sure it's Learn Microsoft. Don't choose the other website. They might contain some malware or whatever. So just click on the first website. Okay, this is the version 7.1. You might, of course, find some updated versions. Click on Download ZoomIt, then open the folder. Double click. Okay, this is not a software that you need to install, but instead of doing that, you just select all of your files and copy them. Go to your desktop and create a new folder. Let's call it ZoomIt, for example. Okay, now we're gonna extract all of these files into this folder that we just created. Okay, let's close this one. Just save this folder somewhere on your desktop. Okay, and this is your program. Just double click this icon right here. And this is the program basically. Now in here you can control the intensity of the zoom. What you saw in my video before is 2, it's standard. You can of course increase it if you want. And here you can control the shortcuts in your keyboard. In my case it's Ctrl X. But what you're gonna find at the beginning is this. It's gonna be Ctrl plus N, alright? I just changed it to Ctrl X, makes it easier for me. And of course you could untoggle this one. It makes it possible for the program to start whenever you turn on your computer. I use it a lot, this is why I toggle this option. And of course it contains other settings that I'm gonna let you discover on your own. And with each option you're gonna find a quick explanation of what it does, along with the ability to change the shortcut. If you're interested in graphic design and Photoshop, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive upcoming videos.